Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking, and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe about promotion examination material for Bank International Promotion Examination 2026-2027. Welcome to part 53 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Today's subject: Star Education Loan. Question: A minor student's education loan documents are executed by parent or guardian. What must happen once the student attains majority? Option A: The loan is automatically closed and re-sanctioned. Option B: A fresh set of documents must be executed jointly by parent, guardian, and student. Option C: No further action is required as the original documents remain valid. Option D: Only the student needs to sign a fresh set of documents. Correct answer is option B. A fresh set of documents must be executed jointly by parent or guardian and student. Question: Under the progressive education loan for school-going children, what is the minimum personal credit score required as per the credit score model? Option A 40 out of 100. Option B 44 out of 100. Option C 50 out of 100. Option D 60 out of 100. Correct answer is option B 44 out of 100. Question: For the progressive education loan scheme, what is the maximum quantum of finance permissible per year? Option A rupees 50,000, option B rupees 75,000, option C rupees 1 lakh, option D rupees 1.5 lakh. Correct answer is option C rupees 1 lakh. Question: Under the progressive education loan scheme, what interest concession is available for girl students? Option A 0.25%, option B 0.50%, option C 0.70%, option D 1%. Correct answer is option B 0.50%. Question: For a progressive education loan, in which class level examinations does the disbursement for the next year get released only after passing a re-examinations if the student initially fails? Option A 3rd and 6th only. Option B 5th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Option C 5th and 10th only. Option D all classes uniformly. Correct answer is option B 5th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Question: Under education loan for studies in India, what is the minimum qualifying marks cutoff stipulated for the SC/ST OBC category when admission is not purely merit based? Option A 40%, option B 45%, option C 50%, option D 55%. Correct answer is option C 50%. Question: What is the qualifying marks cutoff for the general category under the studies in India education loan scheme when admission is not purely through an entrance test merit selections? Correct answer is option A 50%, option B 55%, option C 60%, option D 65%. Correct answer is option C 60%. Question: As per the education loan scheme for studies in India, at what civil personality score threshold is a student applicant treated as having adverse credit history requiring JLCC sanction? Option A below 600, option B below 650, option C below 675, option D below 700. Correct answer is option C below 675. Question: Which of the following courses is explicitly stated as not eligible for education loan for studies in India? Option A evening and part-time courses. Option B courses offered by reputed foreign universities operating in India. Option C off-campus distance education courses. Option D courses are conducted by national institutes like IIMs and IITs. Correct answer is option C off-campus and distance education courses. Question. As per the IMC Ordinance 2013, an Indian citizen seeking a medical qualifications from a foreign country on or after which date is not required to obtain prior permissions from the Medical Council of India. Option A 1st January 2013, Option B 15th May 2013, Option C 1st April 2015, Option D 15th September 2015. Correct answer is option B 15th May 2013. Question. For education loans to NRI, OCI students studying in India, where must the loan amount not be credited? Option A NRO account, Option B operative savings account of the student, Option C NRE FCNR account. Question. Option D current account of the co-applicant. Correct answer is option C NRE FCNRB account. Question. For education loans covering studies in India where sanction limit exceeds the collateral free threshold, what is the minimum tangible collateral security requirement? Option A 75% of sanction limit, Option B 90% of sanction limit, Option C 100% of sanction limit, Option D 110% of sanction limit. Correct answer is option C 100% of sanction limit. Question. What is the collateral free education loan limit studied in India that is treated as student specific rather than family specific? Option A 4 lakh, Option B rupees 7.5 lakh, Option C rupees 10 lakh, Option D rupees 20 lakh. Correct answer is option B rupees 7.5 lakh. Question. Under the margin structure for studies in India, excluding PM Vidya Lakshmi, what margin applies for loans above 4 lakh? Option A nil, Option B 5%, Option C 10%, Option D 15%. Correct answer is option B 5%. Question. For studies in India, what additional interest concession applies where the loan exceeds rupees 20 lakh and is covered by more than 100% collateral security adequate for accrued interest during moratorium? Option A 0.25%, Option B 0.50%, Option C 0.75%, Option D 1%. Correct answer is option B 0.50%. Question. What interest concession is offered for servicing interest during the study period and subsequent moratorium prior to commencement of repayment for studies in India? Option A 0.50%, Option B 0.75%, Option C 1%, Option D 1.50%. Correct answer is option C 1%. Question. Under the education loan for studies in India, penal charges for overdue amounts apply only where the loan amount exists. Option A 2 lakh, Option B 4 lakh, Option C 7.5 lakh, Option D 10 lakh. Correct answer is option B 4 lakh. Question. What is the maximum permissible repayment tenure for an education loan studies in India, excluding the course period and moratorium? Correct answer is option A 10 years, Option B 12 years, Option C 15 years, Option D 20 years. Correct answer is option C 15 years. Question. What is the standard moratorium repayment holiday period applicable under the education loan scheme for studies in India? Option A course period only, Option B course period plus 6 months, Option C course period plus 1 year, Option D course period plus 2 years. Correct answer is option C course period plus 1 year. Question. Within how many days of receipt of a duly completed loan applications must sanction be conveyed to the student under the education loan scheme for studies in India? Option A 7 days, Option B 10 days, Option C 15 days, Option D 21 days. Correct answer is option C 15 days. Question. In case of rejections of an education loan applications, within what period must the rejection be conveyed to the student? Option A 3 to 5 days, Option B 7 to 10 days, Option C 10 to 15 days, Option D 15 to 20 days. Correct answer is option B 7 to 10 days. Question. Rejection of an education loan application requires concurrence from which minimum authority? Option A branched, option B RBCCC, option C SZLCC, option D FGMLCC. Correct answer is option C SZLCC. Question. For studies in India, when power of attorney is used for document executions, sanctioning authority for such loans is set with which minimum level? Option A branch 8, option B RBCCC, SZLCC, option C ZLCC and above, option D FGMLCC and above. Correct answer is option C ZLCC and above. Question. What are the total charges levied by the bank for the PM Vidya Lakshmi portal at the time of a sanction? Option A rupees 100 plus GST, option B rupees 150 plus GST, option C rupees 200 plus 18% GST, option D rupees 250 plus 1800 rupees GST. Correct answer is option C rupees 200 plus 18% GST. Question. Under the education loan scheme for studies in India, what percentage of total tuition fees is the maximum permissible cap on certain other expenses such as caution deposit, computers, and miscellaneous items combined? Option A 10%, option B 15%, option C 20%, option D 25%. Correct answer is option C 20%. Question. For education loans, what is the maximum permissible caution deposit building fund amount as a percentage of the total tuition fee for the entire course? Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Correct answer is option B 10%. Under education loan for studies abroad, which category of applicant is explicitly not eligible under the scheme, even though eligible for studies in India? Option A Indian nationals, option B overseas citizens of India resident in India, option C non-resident Indians NRIs, option D students admitted through entrance test. Correct answer is option C non-resident Indians NRIs. Question. For education loan financed studies abroad, what expense head is uniquely permitted that is not typically considered for studies in India? Option A examination fees, option B one-way airfare passage money, option C purchase of books, option D laboratory fee. Correct answer is option B one-way airfare or passage money. Question. Under the margin rate structure applicable for education loans for studies abroad, what is the margin for loans above 44 lakh? Option A 5%, option B 7.5%, option C 10%, option D 12.5%. Correct answer is option C 10%. For loans to premier institutions abroad, top 400 institutions, IIT Madras, Tanzania, Plus, what is the applicable rate of interest? Option A RBLR flat, option B RBLR plus 0.50%, option C RBLR plus 1%, option D RBLR plus 1%, 1.70%. Correct answer is option B RBLR plus 0.50%. Question. Under the loan to premier institutions abroad scheme, what is the collateral free threshold? Option A rupees 7.5 lakh, option B rupees 10 lakh, option C rupees 15 lakh, option D rupees 12 lakh. Correct answer is option D rupees 20 lakh. Question. Under the loan to premier institutions abroad scheme for students above the collateral free threshold, what minimum bank deposit security as a percentage of the residual limit is acceptable if offered in cash form? Op- Option A 50%, option B 65%, option C 75%, option D 90%. Correct answer is option C 75%. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.